Today is the first day I'll be uploading a YouTube video. This is my first video. If you like this video, please subscribe and let's get into it. This game is called Grumpy Cat's worst game ever. It's a bunch of mini games. I don't know if you guys may enjoy this. If you do not enjoy this, please say that you would not want any more of this video on the channel, and that's all. Cool, I got money for this game now, and daily missions. I don't know why this is taking so long. Okay, rocket server, and let's start playing. I'm supposed to catch a gloss. Okay, that's a new one. I've never played that one before. Caught the dot. Just catch birds for this one. And he's safe. I did it! Yes. Take these thorns out of its back. Yes, got it. Even faster. Okay. Missed. Sorry about that, guys. Got the dot. Fish escape and the cat died. Okay, I did not do so well with that one. Win a prize, and I'm gonna go for the blue one this time. A new cat for my pictures, okay, and home. I do not know what's happening, but that's for today's video, and thank you.